could see by the title today might be the day. You know what I'm saying? I sold this car back in May of 2024, about 4 months ago. So I've been on the verge of searching for a new car, and as of yet, I just have not really came to the conclusion of what I wanted. But I think I may have found a car, and this video is gonna show y'all what I may have found, and hopefully I actually bring it home with me today. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much longer. I'm gonna get right into the video. As soon as my friend comes, we're gonna drive straight there. We're gonna test drive it, and I'm gonna let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, if this is the car. Man, so let me tell y'all, I was talking for probably about 1 minute right here. I was literally just letting y'all know my dog showed up. We hopped in the car. We literally headed to the spot that we were picking up the car from and checking out, basically checking out the car. And so the downside is I didn't realize it wasn't recording my voice due to the music playing in the background. I literally turned the music down thinking like, okay, it'll hear me and my boy talk. But apparently, as you guys can see, it did not. YouTube, you teasy, we have made it, man. All right, so look, here's the car, guys. Damn, this shit is nice, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is actually beautiful, bro. It's been sitting, I heard too. Let me get the front. All right, cool. He's about to pull it out, guys. They got some other cars up here too. That shit sounds good. You can't lie, that sounds good.
Wait, that was the, oh, hell.
Oh my gosh. I hope this car is a good car, bro, because I will make the deal.
Oh, hell. Oh.
Like, look at that shit. It's nice, bro.
That's it? That's not.
Oh, this shit sounds amazing. Okay. This sounds good too. Oh man. Ah. All right, cool. Damn, this is nice. I believe it does. Bro, we got the AMG seats. Look, we got the sunroof.
Clean. They got a sunroof?
Yeah, you see it?
Oh shit, that shit crazy.
And cleaned up. When was the last time I had like an oil change and everything?
Once we get the car from the auction, we take it to the shop and we did the oil change and all that stuff. But I always recommend my customer doing it.
Still do it.
Yeah, do it because you need to monitor your mileage.
Most definitely.
This car, after we did the oil change, we drove it home to pass an emission, and the customer can come and test drive it.
For sure.
Tell how many miles exactly have been driven.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure because I work on cars too myself, me and him. So
yeah.
That's why I asked, just in case I needed to.
This is what I always recommend.
Okay, sounds good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably just top it off.
Yeah.
Top it off.
It wasn't a leak in here, was it?
Nah.
Okay.
I heard these are handcrafted, bro. Like hand built, the engines. Yeah, I don't really see anything wrong.
There ain't no leak, right?
Yeah.
Oh, flash
Let me see. Oh, right there.
Ain't no leak, is it?
Right here?
I'm talking the buildup right here.
Oh, let me see. Oh, right there. Let me check.
This is what came up. I don't know if it's
Probably just grime. Yeah, it could just be grime.
It don't look like real wet too.
Yeah.
Look, this is cracked. What is that?
Yeah.
Is that the oil cap?
Oil cap.
I know, that's fine.
Yeah, we could probably replace that.
That shit easy.
Yeah.
It's the housing filter?
Yep. Yeah, it looks good. You know what's all done to it?
Look like a relatively
like
okay belt.
Performance-wise, you're not sure? Not a problem.
The surface.
No, it seems like it's stuck. I don't see that there's...
Yeah, probably the exhaust.
Yeah,
That's it.
it's stuck.
I like it.
Surface view, this shit looks straight.
Yeah, and you know we work on cars, so. All right.
I work in no Benz.
I worked on a few Benzes.
I never touched the Benz. I put some oil in it before.
So you put some oil in it. All right. Yeah, it just needs some work, a little bit of work. You funny as hell.
Way out of my pay grade.
That shit probably up there too, and it probably is like a ZR1 or some high end shit too, bro.
Oh my god.
The vet look good though. I'm not gonna cap. I like the wing, bro.
I like the I don't even know.
The it's called window louvers. I used to have them.
What are they even for?
They not. It's just like aesthetic,
Okay,
yeah. And it helps with
this shit hard.
it helps cover sunlight and stuff like that to keep it cool in the inside.
Okay. I like the brakes. I love the brakes on this way.
Yeah.
I love the brakes.
It's them big boy brakes I heard. This car is beautiful. I like the diffusers. Look at this joint. This is crazy. This the other one.
I really like the white one.
Yeah, the white one. Cause this the 4-door version of that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's literally the same engine.
It's more of a family car.
Yeah. This shit kind of look good though. I'm not gonna lie. Shit. The moon roof. So it's not it's a. What the fuck? What's the difference? A moon roof got both or some shit?
No, it's a sunroof.
Oh, it's a
Moonroof
sunroof.
don't open.
Oh, so moon roof just like it stays. Yeah, we about to test drive it, man. Hey, how does this shit is nice, bro? I'm not gonna cap. Hey, I'm still Mustang to the death of me. I'm definitely still gonna get a 10-speed. That is not going above my head or nothing like that, you know. So I just wanted to try something different, guys. Maybe, you know, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it.
This shit clean as hell, man.
Let's see.
Did we hear it turn on?
Yeah.
Did the camera?
Oh, the camera. I think it did here because when he crunk it up right there.
Yeah.
But I don't know what any of this is, boy. I'm this. If I get this, I'm new to this. They got a manual mode too. They got Sport Plus, Sport, Cruise. We're gonna hit Cruise for now. That's me?
Yeah.
Fuck was that? Oh, is that?
No. I mean, boy.
That's that shit.
Blow up.
Let's see.
All right.
Oh my god, the fuck is that? I'm not gonna lie, it's certain things I gotta get used to, bro. Like,
What's that?
so nothing. I gotta get used to where the turn signal and stuff
yeah,
is.
everything different.
Everything different, bro.
Everything different, bro.
Everything different. Me going from American to German, bro. Oh, this is nice though. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta get some pulls with this shit. And that's just in cruise. Let's hear it in sport. You mind flipping that? Flip on this right here? Nope, that right there. To Sport Plus. Oh, that's crazy, nigga.
Oh my god.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
Y'all hear that shit?
Yeah, that ain't shit. Okay. Damn, this is crazy, bro. It really does pull.
Oh my god.
That's not.
Oh my god.
That is crazy.
Oh my
I like the
God.
sound of that shit, bro. Alright, okay, cool.
But let him know. He might have to take care
For
of you.
sure. I forgot I got the paddle shifters too. I gotta learn this car though.
Oh, you got the
Yeah.
shit. This man got the manual without the manual. Ooh.
Yeah, this nice. I'm not gonna cap.
Remember to drive it like a manual transmission.
For sure,
We'll
for
blow that
sure.
bit.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is nice though. I'm not gonna lie. What you think, bro?
Nah, this is crazy.
It's
I
crazy.
ain't gonna cat. This is crazy.
All right, cool. Damn, the AC on it and everything. That shit cold as fuck. How the fuck you turn this shit off? I think I turned it off.
The off button?
Oh, my God. I didn't see that
Stupid
shit.
ass. Air coming from up top.
Oh, that's true too. Oh, I forgot I got a sunroof.
He ain't never had no sunroof before.
Oh God, bro, like, what? I ain't used to this shit. Alright. Working out the numbers. Boy, I need a retwist so bad.
Yeah,
This dread came out.
Have you filled it out on our website or on Cargo's?
Yes, sir.
On the website.
I'm gonna look for it one more time.
No, everything's based on credit and lenders.
We haven't
My boy.
received it.
You good?
Let me send you the link. Give me your phone number and let me tell.
Alright guys, we just did all the paperwork. I had to add some insurance. It took a minute for that. Now I'm just waiting for everything else to come back. See y'all later. I'll get some pictures and all of that extra stuff. So I will definitely see y'all when I done officially got a car. I literally just came up with this decision maybe 4 days ago. I was looking up Mustangs and I'm still gonna get a 10-speed Mustang. I'm not gonna tell y'all when, but I am still gonna get a 10-speed Mustang. I'm about to try to get my YouTube going. But as of now, y'all can see the beauty that I have chosen. You know what I'm saying? It's a, you can bring it over here. Just show them the car a little bit. It's a AMG C63, you know what I'm saying? Look at the tips I got. This shit is beautiful, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Look at the wheels is thick. Look at the brakes. The brakes is thick as shit. Like, oh my gosh. The brakes is thick as a bitch. Oh my god. Tires is good. Check out the front of it. I got a chin spoiler. I got all of that, y'all. Like, this car is, in my opinion, this fits me for now. You know what I'm saying? And I like it, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is really amazing. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm really lost for words right now, but now y'all get car content because I have an AMG C63 and it's a V8. So y'all get car content for sure. I'm new to the German community. You know what I'm saying? Coming from American. So if you know a little bit about these, tell me. Or, you know, even if you are a BMW guy, y'all can still hit me up. Let me know. Welcome me to the German community, German family, whatever. Yeah, I'm just enjoying this, man. It just looks really nice. Y'all definitely gonna get car content. I got the GoPros. I got all of that coming for y'all. It's gonna be a blast, man. And so, thank y'all for tuning in, man. I'm gonna bring y'all some pictures. Follow my IG. This is a dream come true. I didn't think I could do this, but I did, bro. Like, in 4 days, I came to the conclusion in 4 days of this beauty. So, again, I will see y'all in the next few videos. I took delivery of my car, man. I will see y'all later.